monetize their talent.
Amref International University football captain Vincent Kitavi believes they have what it takes to lift the inaugural Kenya Varsity Cup that was launched in a colorful ceremony in Nairobi. The 8-team competition will run from April 7th to May 23rd at Kasarani Annex and Ulinzi Sports Complex Stadium in Nairobi.
For this, because when they came for the shoots and everything else, the boys got a different type of energy. And we've been preparing, and we are so ready for this. And I'm very sure we might be the winners of this Varsity Cup. So we're also excited to see what is going to happen and what will keep happening. So we are doing County League in Nairobi West. Yes, we are doing County League. And I think we've been there for like the whole of this season. We are doing well. We're also participating in Kusa, where we were knocked at the quarterfinals. And I think it's going to help the boys see there's more to what they are doing, and at least when they are playing in the big stadiums as the other teams in KPL and NSL, I think it's going to boost their morale.
We are really prepared for the tournament, and we really hope for the best team to win. So we are good. Okay, the scouts, they can help our players to get other teams, so that will be a good platform for other players to go to big teams, so they can make it in life.
We have this tournament. We're going to involve 8 universities to start. It's a pilot program, just to provide a stage for these guys to showcase their talent. You see now with AFCON, a lot of African players are getting recognition, Premier League contracts, all that sort of stuff. So what we're trying to do with this is just bridge the gap between high school and university sport, and just give these guys a platform to showcase the talent that they already have. And it's to have a multi-sport league, so not just football. We're going to have rugby, hockey, athletics, basketball, all of that with time as we build up. But yeah, for now, April 7th, it's the opening ceremony. We're looking forward to it.
The Democratic Republic of Congo